Hi, this is a workbook for as a couple. In this, all the sheets will have both partners, like partner 1 and partner 2. So you understood the 4 toxins, right? So each partner, identify the toxins that show up for you frequently and list them. Do this separately. And after you do that, come together and discuss your toxins. Hey, this is where I feel like I'm stonewalling, or this is where I feel like I'm critical. And give some concrete examples from your perspective. This is you on your toxins, okay? And then, as once you identify your own toxins, you are going to come up with your own antidotes. I know I listed some of the antidotes there, but you come up with, okay, now I'm criticizing you. I see that I'm criticizing, but this is how I am going to start, changing myself. I'm going to start with like, I wish, or, I would like to, things like that, right? So whatever your antidotes, list them. And once you have them, come back together and discuss that with your partner, okay? And the next exercise we have is, what are some top 5 things like you truly and genuinely appreciate about your other partner, right? Write them down. There is a reason why I have 5 in here, not like 2 or 3 or 4. A relationship, for every negative interaction, you should have 5 positive interactions. So this is a way for you to start having those positive interactions. So write 5 things about your partner on what you truly appreciate, and make sure you come together and share it with your other partner, okay? And last but not the least, this is my favorite exercise of all, a bit of spice with a touch of romance. You are going to write each other a love letter like old times in a paper, not in a computer. You're not printing out, you're not typing, on a paper. And write from your heart. And for extra brownie points, make it a bit spicy, okay? Some questions that you can consider to be on your love letter: what attracted you in the very first moment? What were the circumstances that brought you together? What fantasies or hopes you had for the relationship? Who were you set up to be each other? For example, like we were colleagues, we were blind date, whatever that is. What did you first notice about your other partner? What did you feel about the other partner for the first time? What did you first experience about your other partner for the first time? So these are some questions that you can consider while you're writing your love letter, okay? Best of luck. I wish you both very, very good luck. And don't forget to capture your top 2 takeaways for this module, okay?